yung isang congressman, former congressman, si Attorney Chong. Narinig niyo naman siguro yun. Ang sabi, sasampalin ko yung kayo nga daw po.
Di ba?
Narinig niyo po yun. Ano pong naramdaman niyo?
My first reaction was, you're an officer of the court.
Opo.
And then he says, we cheated. Pero nandun siya nung counting. Nandun siya. He was part of our election team. So why will you wait 1 year to say that we cheated? Diba? Eh, nandun ka. Every meeting nandun ka. But, you know, they say you're the size of your enemy. Yan mo na siya. I hope he wins for, I don't know what, congressman or governor or whatever.
And all the rest, yung iba pong mga taong siguro parang nagkakasama-sama sila. Pero mga dati nyo silang mga kasama. Paano nyo siya tingnan?
You want me to mention names?
Yes.
For example, SAS, okay? SAS and RJ, you know, I met them because they were sued for cyber libel. So they came to me, pro bono. Ako naman, I would write because I was on leave that time. I didn't know that SAS was a guy. Okay? So my affidavit said, she did. Sabi ni Jenny, ma'am, lalaki yan. Huh? So, I mean, I did all that, di ba? So, 3 years pro bono. Tapos bigla na lang, something happened. We went to court. She made a deal with the other side and took RJ away. So I'm like, teka muna. Medyo makapal yan, pro bono, 3 years, tapos you'll fire our law firm. Diba? Naku, I didn't know what to tell my partners. Parang, tapos ngayon, kung anong sinasabi, parang, why are you doing that? But, well, if you're happy that way, there's such a thing as karma. I'm sure after 1,500 days, you'll stop talking about me.
Si Maharlika.
Maharlika. I met Maharlika in 1997. We were still in Ilocos. Her name, can I come to your house? So she came. I didn't know her from Adam. Video. That was, I think Bong was governor pa din. And then during elections, she was there. Then bigla na lang gumanon. Sabi ko, huh? Okay, if that, wow. I hope the money you got is worth the friendship you lost. Let me put it that way. Huwag mo na patulan.
But
you know, there's a saying, unhappy people will want you to be equally unhappy. Diba? Tayo, unhappy ba tayo? Tawa lang tayo ng tawa.
Opo. Pero alam nyo, again, babalik ako dun sa araw-araw siyang nag-vlog, araw-araw may nagre-repost. Hindi naman kakaunting tao ang madaling maniwala sa Pilipinas.
Don't you think there's a designed effort?
Yan ang pupuntahan ko. Nakikita niyo ba na mayroong concerted effort?
You think? I don't think it takes di ba? Of course.
Nga po?
Sino gumagawa niyan?
Sino po?
Tanungin ko sa'yo.
Is it all about money?
Hindi, ito na lang sila ginagawa. If you're the president of the Philippines and I'm the Pierce lady, sa palagay mo ba, hindi ko kaya gawin yan? Ay, Diyos ko, tawagin mo lang yung Romania. Kaya ka, but it has to stop. This cannot be. Hindi ganon yung Pinoy. Let them do their thing. Sa palagay mo ba, hindi namin kaya gawin yan? You're the president of the country.
Well, actually, marami nga po ang nagsasabi na pagkadali-dali sa inyo, you're the first lady, si Presidente.
First lady.
Hindi po ba, ang dali-dali ninyong gumawa ng paraan to take this YouTube accounts down, Facebook accounts down, TikTok accounts down. Bakit nyo ginagawa?
Isipin mo, when Bong ran for president, he won by 30 million. We did not cheat. You think we're going to cheat? Try losing by 225. Nandun ka, di ba? Ang sakit, Kuya Eddie. So what they were making patikos to Bong, did Bong ever answer? No, because he said, I will not dignify that. And look, he won by 30M. I'd like to think because people believed in him. So now it's harder because he's the president, right? And the gut feeling is fight back, put them down. Why will you do that? What did you accomplish? Down na sila eh. To talk trash, that's really, kung ganun siya, that's it. Di ba? Okay, let's take it to the logical conclusion. Oh, let's stop it. Let's put them in jail. Let's libel. O ngayon, what will happen? Sino, you know what I mean?
Naintindihan ko po. At si Attorney Vic Rodriguez po.
Kilala mo si Baby Pineda?
Yes.
Okay, so I call her my manager for, and she and I were opposites because she is a politika, ganyan-ganyan. Ako naman, super zero sa politics. So I went to her for advice. So naging close kami. Ano masabi niya sa akin? Ikaw, maniwala sa akin. Isa lang gagawin mo pag nanalo si BBM. Siguraduhin mo na lahat ng tao sa paligid niya mabait. At saka para sa kanya. Kasi nakikita ko may ganito, may ganyan. Yan lang gagawin mo. Basically, she said, your only purpose is to make sure your husband is surrounded by good people. And that's what I do. I mean, and it's not because I get picked on or whatever. When I see people doing things wrong, illegal, or using their power, then I tell Bong. It's up to him.
Kumusta kayo ni VP Sara?
Talaga. How are we?
Yes, opo.
I was always kind to her. I'm really nice naman eh. Pero when Bong had that Bagong Lipunan rally, she came, and my husband, that was supposed to be December eh. Parang to start the new year, o Bagong Pilipinas, parang huwag na tayo mag-away, mabait tayo, let's help the people, blah, 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 blah. Na-postpone, ganyan. So I think it was in Feb or March, right? So she went there at 3, and then she went to Davao. And then when she went to Davao, Duterte said, oh, bangag, di ba? Imagine a former president calling, bangag. I mean, wow, you had 6 years, why would you call, bangag, di ba? So, and then the camera panned on her, tumatawa. So, syempre nakita ko, sabi ko, wow, man, I mean, masakit yan. And then when, said Duterte, si Sandro, yan, gusto maging prime minister, perpetuate themselves in power. Tapos ako, I want to say, binibilang ko ngayong mga oras eh. Diba? So, pero tumawa sila. So parang for me, ano yan, mali yata yan, di ba? Parang you're getting swelled from the government, di ba? You're supposed to be the alter ego, we're there protecting you, tapos gagawin mo yan. Mali yan eh, you cross the line. And many things, I'm not a hypocrite. O, diyan, may departure time na, di ba? So, nandito ko. Normally, nag-usap kami. So, ayoko. Tapos, sabi ni, somebody went to me, uy, ang ganda mo today. Hindi, mukha akong bangag. Gumano ko. No reaction. So, hindi, bangag. Bangag is I said, bangag is the word of the day.
Yes.
Talaga, no reaction. So yun, then after that, talaga, I stopped there. I do it again. I mean, that's not right. You don't do that. That's entitled politics. You're in the government. You're the vice president.
Wala bang kahit na maikling sorry man lang after that?
Bad shot na yan sa akin.
Ganun po.
Unless she says sorry or whatever. Maybe she will. Maybe she crossed the line. And then going down sa Prague, nakita ko siya ulit, di ba? Sabi ni Bong, behave. Sabi ko, wrong person, honey.
Sabi niyo, she crossed the line. Ano ibig sabihin nun? And wala nang reconciliation yan between the
No, I mean, for me,
yeah.
nasaktan ako because my husband will do everything to protect you. You ran together, di ba? Sama-sama tayo, babangon muli. Pupunta ka sa rally, tatawagan yung presidente mong bangag, di ba you're going to laugh? Tama ba yan? Even Lenny never did that.
Nagustuhan niyo ba ang ganitong pagtalakay? Mag-follow sa Informador FB page at mag-subscribe sa Informador YouTube channel. Ang Informador ay nilikha ng mga staff ni Atty. Ricky Tumuturgo, aka Insurrecto, upang lalong lumawak ang inaabot ng pagpapalaganap ng katotohanan at labanan ang fake news at kasinungalingan.